People's Democratic Party staged a protest march in Srinagar against the BJP leader and the leader of the opposition in the assembly, Sunil Sharma, over his remarks on the 1931 martyrs led by the PDP leader Iltija Mufti. The party activists marched from the PDP head office towards the Lal Chowk but were stopped by the police near the Polo View. The protesters carried the placards reading, "Martyrs of July 13, 1931 are our heroes, and July 13, 1931 sacrifices will never die," while raising slogans against the Sharma and the BJP. All-party Hurriyat Conference has said that the BJP-led Indian government and its installed corrupt administration in occupied Kashmir cannot alter the ground realities in the territory by imposing the Hindutva agenda. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that not only the civil and the legal rights of the people of the Kashmir have been stripped away, but also the fundamental human and the religious rights have also been systematically violated, especially after August 2019. Mohammad Yusuf Tarigami, Communist Party of India leader and the member of the occupied Kashmir Assembly, has firmly advocated for the restoration of the job and the land rights for the Kashmiris. Speaking in the assembly, Tarigami stressed the urgent need to protect the fundamental rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir. Authorities in occupied Kashmir have arbitrarily detained at least 3 journalists for exposing the felling of the centuries-old chinar trees in the Islamabad district, triggering outrage on the press freedom and the environmental destruction. The chinars, deeply woven into the Kashmir's cultural and ecological identity, are protected under the Jammu and Kashmir Preservation of the Specified Trees Act 1969. People's Democratic Party leader Iltija Mufti condemned a demolition drive led by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in Srinagar, which left the several families homeless. Iltija shared a video on X calling the demolition in the Bhimna area ruthless and emphasizing that no family should be deprived of their shelter.